Hey there, it's time to kick off the first episode of Penny Calling Penny about the fundamentals of investing. So let's get started with the most basic and foremost question. What is investing? Basically, investing is nothing but an act to appoint a resource to an asset with this expectation that we will generate reward and return from this asset in the future times. Now these resources can be anything. It can be your money, your time, your effort, and many more. Investing can earn you a lot of benefits, which can include, firstly, it allows you to grow your wealth. Moving on to the next one, it protects your asset against the inflation. And the most important and the biggest one, it helps you to achieve your financial goal. And investing also help you to generate your passive income, and this passive income will bring you financial stability, and this will again result to achieve your financial goal faster than you think. Furthermore, there are various kinds of investing which can include stock, mutual funds, bonds, shares, and real estate, and many more. Each of these investings come with their own risk and their potential earning reward. Now this is the basic thumb rule of investing. The higher risk investment offers you the higher potential of reward, but they also come with higher likelihood of loss. So this was all about the first episode. Now we will be back again with another episode in which we will be discussing about the types of stocks and how to invest in those stocks. So stay tuned with Penny Calling Penny to learn more about investing and personal finance advice. Also, do not forget to hit that follow button.